Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to cancel autopay on Netflix, whether you're using a credit card, Google Pay, iTunes or your phone carrier. You can just go over and stop billing automatically and make sure your Netflix does not charge you again. So go to netflix.com or open up the Netflix application for that. And once you look out for that, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner and go ahead and access your profile right here. From here, you can select up your account and open it up. And once you look out for the account, usually it is in the top right corner, select the menu. And from there, select the option of account from the given menu. Once you select the account option, you just need to scroll through the given options and go to the membership and billing section. Once you find it up, you can just go over. And then once you go to this section, if you're signed up directly with Netflix, look out for the option of cancel membership and select it. After that, you just need to go over and confirm the finish cancellation. And once you tap on it, that should automatically stop the auto pay. So you might just go over and do so, and your account will remain active until the current billing of the cycle ends. And you can also select a reason why are you canceling your membership. And once you apply the reason, tap and done, and you should be finding your membership being canceled. It should work until the cycle ends. So you can just go over and do so, and you should be able to cancel your auto pay on Netflix, whether you're using Android, iPhone, or PC. So if this video helped you out, do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.